Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get cat-like face on Roblox. So first of all, go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and select recently created. Now you have to go to in price and set 0 and 0 min and maximum price and click on go. And now guys, you will see this face, cat-like face. You can open it and get it. So I'll give you a link of this item. Just get it as soon as possible because it may go off sale and or you may have to spend some robux to get this. So just get it as soon as it is free. So now you just need to go to in avatar and go to head and body and go to style and click on mouse cat like this. And now as you can see that it looks like a cat like face. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.